Now, one more will do in the case of cot function. We have seen these cases in sine, cosine and tan functions, and also seen the inverses, the domain and the range for these inverse functions. Now we come to the inverse of this cot function. So the only function we have defined, and it is this cot from r minus zeta over x, x equal to n by into this r. So the range is full R, and the domain here is this r minus x, x equal to n by. Seven multiples of this pi are excluded. Multiples of pi with the n element of z, that is 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, etc. excluded, and also in the opposite side minus pi, minus 2 pi, minus 3 pi, etc. are also excluded. So the remaining r minus this collection of x constitute the domain, and this r is the range. And now we want to make this function one-once by restricting the domain. For this, consider the present domain. So this is, consider this r, and the points, the excluded points, 0 excluded, then this pi excluded, 2 pi excluded, and so on. Then in the reverse, minus pi excluded, minus 2 pi excluded. So these points are excluded from this codomain, and now the range is this R, full R, so 0, etc. positive towards right and negative towards left. So we know. And now consider this interval 0 pi, 0 pi. Now, in this interval, the 0 and pi, these end points excluded. So, end point excluded because of this. Now, consider this open interval 0 pi. So, end point excluded, and in between the 0 and 1 all in this. Consider this cot function from 0 pi into this R, the full R, full R. Now, cot 0, consider this cot 0. 0 is not included, but for the time being consider this cot 0. So we have this cot is equal to cos by sine. And now this cot 0 does not exist, and this cot phi also does not exist. And now consider this cot is equal to cos by pi, cos by sine. And consider this middle value, which is pi by 2. This pi by 2. Now consider this cot pi by 2. This cot pi by 2 is, which is equal to this cot pi by 2, which is equal to cos pi by 2, cos pi by 2 0 divided by sin pi by 2 1. And therefore, under this mapping, this cot is, this pi by 2 is mapped to this. Now, suppose from pi by 2 advance towards this pi, advance towards from pi by 2 to towards pi. At this pi, this cos pi is minus 1 and sin pi is 0. But this cot cannot take this pi value. But approaching this pi, cos is negative, sin approaching to 0. That means the ratio approaching this pi, this ratio become negative, and it is very large, approaching to minus infinity. Minus 1 divided by 0, approaching minus 1 by approaching 0. So very large, big number, negative number. So towards this minus infinity. Similarly, from pi by 2 to 0, sin positive, cos positive, and 0 cos pi by 2, 0, and approaching towards 0 cos 0, which is 1 increasing, and the sin from pi by 2 to the 0 approaching, sin is increasing, So we see that this sign is decreasing and sign approaching to 0, cos by sine. So in that case we see that this fraction becomes or approaching positive infinity, both cos and sine positive. So approaching to this positive infinity. So in this interval 0 to pi, the cot function maps this values, this interval, open interval into this full R. And also we can verify that this is 1, 1. And therefore the cot function defined from 0 pi into R is 1, 1 and 1, 2. And hence in this interval we can have its inverse. So inverse is cot inverse from this R into this 0 pi open interval pi. Similarly we can see that in this interval pi to pi, this cot function defined into R is 1, 1, 2, it has inverse and so on. Similarly towards the left, minus pi 0, cot function 1, 1, 2, this minus 2 pi minus pi, cot function 1, 1, 2. All these intervals we have this inverse for this cot function, and as in the earlier case we see that these functions in this interval are the branches of this cot inverse. And this function cot from 0 pi into this R, this cot inverse from R into 0 pi, this is the principal value branch of the inverse. This is the principal value branch inverse of this inverse, cot inverse. And also the values of this cot function are called the principal value of the inverse function, principal value. So this is the case of this inverse of this cot function. Okay. So similarly we can have the inverses of the secant and cosecant, and that can be discussed in the next video.